Now wrestling at 7, third place, Division 3, 160. From Canada, Cole Pfeiffer against Micah Kupcha from Coleman at 7.
The Division 3 152-pound winner from Canada with a decision of 4-3, Tristan Dreyer.
Wrestling on mat 3, third place, 160, Division 2, from Freedom, Tucker Brooklyn against Justin Klingo of Two Rivers.
The Division 2 152-pound winner from Oostburg with a decision of 4-3, Nash Bako.
Micah. Come on, Micah.
In a fifth place, mat 2 from Arrowhead, Nate Druckery versus Coco Kukan, 160-pound weight class. On mat 4, third place match at 235 from Arrowhead, Kate Reedy versus Olivia Davey of Berlin.
Division 1 152-pound winner from Milwaukee with a disqualification, Caleb Katie.
Up on mat 6, girls fifth place match at 185 from Boomer Colfax, Kendra Hammond against Gwen Bernheim from Children Gilbert.
I can't see a thing.
The 165-pound winner from Fort Atkinson, Grayson Payne.
Now wrestling at 1, third place, 170 for Nicolay Benjamin Hall versus Judah Hammond O'Connor. On mat 8 from Shiampton, Brad Nemera versus Matthew Roach of Ladies.
The Division 3 152-pound winner from Coleman with a decision of 10-6. William Bieber, the 160-pound winner from Stevens Point with a
Micah.
Division 2 170-pound winner from
Come on, Micah!
with a decision of 8-5.
Place 195, Kimberly Grant Cook against Dylan Zoidberg, Pulaski.
Come on, Micah. Hold it.